Imagine running a nail business that brings you consistent clients, doctor referrals, and it pays for itself all in the comfort of your client's home. But here is the twist. It's not just any mobile nail business service. It is focused on health and wellness with a unique approach that most nail professionals do not even touch. Ready to see what sets this mobile nail business apart? In my last video, I covered the basics of starting a mobile nail business, but today, my detailed guide will navigate you through the essential steps to create a successful mobile nail business. And all of these details will build the trust with your new clients and your referring doctors. And by the end of this video, I will have shown you how to stand out in an industry that is missing out on this huge, profitable mobile nail business. And how do you get started with this profitable mobile nail business? I start with what set me apart from all the other nail salons in my area. With healthy pedicures for clients that have all kinds of nail issues, like ingrown toenails, thick to long nails, clients that would not be able to reach their toenails due to they may have a back problem or a knee problem, or maybe these clients have lost their eyesight, or they have other physical ailments or any other issue that keeps them from cutting their own toenail. And for me, all this starts before I even get to the client's home. I start with instruments that are sterilized, not just sanitized. And this is what will set you apart from your local nail and beauty salons in your area. And what if you are using all the wrong equipment? I will give you the best, most productive use of instruments and products. So the instruments that I use, they can be sterilized. Not all instruments that are on the market will last. So I am going to show you the ones I use, and I will show you some that I have used that just did not hold up. And how everything is stored in the nail kit to keep it organized, but most importantly, to keep it sterilized. The front of the case, and it does have a top handle, and like I said, it did have wheels. They come not on the kit, so you can take them off. Then it does have a handle on the back that extends just like luggage. I typically don't use it. So this is the bottom drawer. I do have a few things in there. These are plastic containers that I got from Walmart that keeps everything clean and sterilized. That closes, and you can lock it up so that when you're transporting, it does not come open. So this is the nail kit. So with the e-file, I did take off this side of this, where the e-file is right now, because I wouldn't be able to close the case if it was on the top. So I took this piece off on this side, this slider, I removed it. So the reason, and I'll show you what that looks like. So, and I did take the drawer, which this is the drawer that went there, and I covered it in white just because of all the nail dust. And I can put the e-file up there like that, and then it's easy to put the drill and attach it. And I have the drill in this plastic case which keeps it clean. After each client, I wipe it down, and I also put a piece of plastic around that cone head to keep that clean too. But anyway, so that's what that looks like. So then I can use the e-file, and it's very quick and easy to set up and break down. And that's what it looks like when I put it back together, close everything up, and then I'm good to go to the next client's house. And that's what that looks like. The other thing is, my sterilized instruments, I put in this container, and everything fits in there with the instruments that have been sterilized. And so I don't have to worry about when because for this to fit in my car, I have to lay it on its back. So that way, when it's laid on its back, things don't go everywhere in my car. And this is some oil that I make up for the light massage, depending on the client's health and what's going on. But you'll notice that everything is labeled that goes in my kit. So anything that's taken out of its original container needs to be labeled. So inside the bottom of the case, it is black. I cut out a piece of cardboard that fits, and then I covered it with contact paper. And the reason for that is so that I can clean this and wipe it down in case something spills. So it is a pretty tight fit. That way I don't have to worry about anything getting under that, and it keeps everything clean and everything in case there is spillage. This works really good. So as far as the containers, this was like a lunchbox thing from Walmart that I have polished and some other remover, and some other things in. And this works great because it does have a rubber seal in there. So if anything leaks, it's all sealed up. So that's that. And then I got these bottles from Amazon that have a locking cap. And so any liquid that I have is in these, and it works really good. And you're able to lock it back, and you don't have to worry about spillage. And so that's what everything looks like in the kit when everything is in place. And I've got it in there pretty tight so that nothing really moves around when the kit is in the back of my car. So these are some of the instruments that I have used in the past, and you can notice that that first one is a little rusty. It did not do well in being sterilized in an autoclave. This is another one. It's done a little better than the first one, but I do find that the tip is a little thick for most nails, but it just depends on the client. But this is that one, and you can see that it has gotten quite rusty. Same manufacturers, just different times. And then this is another manufacturer's, and as you can see, the tip is a little thinner, but they don't hold up their edge as well. So those are the ones that I have used, and I have had these, like I said, quite some time, and probably since 2011, somewhere around there. But I really like the small scissors. And as you can see, it is NASP. But anyway, this one is fairly new. And as you can see, it has a little spoon on the end. And these are wonderful for cleaning under the free edge of the toenails or even fingernails. And then these are the bits that I use. These are Koopa bits, and these are the medium. This is a tapered, and this is a medium barrel. So those are the bits that I use along with the e-file. If you want to be set up for success and have so many referrals that you are booked out for months in advance, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can learn about coaching and forms and future information on how to do different in-home nail services. So remember, dedication and perseverance is necessary to be successful, but knowledge and passion and some hard work, your nail business will be so successful and flourishing. If I can help, reach out to me. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can get more detailed information in the future. Thanks for watching.